Hi everyone, and welcome to my new episode. Today we will draw Jack and the magic lamp. Are you wondering how Jack got the magic lamp? I will tell you the whole story then. Watch it till the end to see the moral of the story as well. Enjoy it! After a normal day at school, Jack headed home as usual when he heard a voice from a bush. When he got closer, he could have heard it louder and louder. The voice was saying, "Release me from the lamp and I'll fulfill 3 of your wishes." Then Jack saw the lamp and he started to laugh. "How a dusty lamp will fulfill my wishes," he said. And he tried to go, but he heard the voice coming from the lamp again. He went back, picked up the dusty lamp, wiped it a bit, and the magic happened. A ghost came out. And he said, "Oh, Master Jack, thank you for releasing me. I will fulfill 3 of your wishes, just before I go." At first, Jack got scared. He could have never imagined that something like this could ever happen. He threw the lamp back in the bush and he ran home. When he finally got home, he was happy that the lamp and the ghost did not follow him on his way home. But when he got to his bedroom, the lamp was already there, waiting for him, and he was terrified to see it. "How do you know where I'm living?" asked Jack surprisedly. The spirit said, "It's simple. I know everything about you now. As you are my master, I will get free when I will fulfill 3 of your wishes." Now that Jack finally believed that this is really happening, he started to enjoy it. He said, "My wish is to be an adult, to have a job, to be independent, not to go to school every day." And in less than a second, Jack's life totally changed. He was an adult who was living in a nice apartment, and he was having a good job. As the days were passing, Jack had to work harder and harder every day, as he needed to pay the bills on his own. He needed to cook for himself and also had to go to his job every single day. Now that he's seen how adult life is like, he decided to call the spirit again. He wiped the lamp again and the spirit came out and asked Jack if he's ready for his second wish, and Jack agreed straight away. "I'm so tired all the time. I think it's because I'm working too much. So my second wish will be to have money every time I need without working." So exactly like the first time, in less than a second, Jack could buy anything he wanted. After a while, Jack started to get bored, as he couldn't have everything he ever wanted. And he started to miss his family as well. He also wanted to have some of his mom's favorite cookies. So he decided to call the spirit again and said, "Adult life is not how I imagine it. It's a lot harder and full with responsibilities. And even if I can afford everything I want, I do not really enjoy it, as it's too easy to get it. I want to use my last wish to reverse all the wishes and to be a child again." And the spirit asked him if he's sure, because that means he won't have another wish, and after that Jack is gonna be back to his old life forever. But Jack agreed straight away. And when Jack returned to normal, he was very happy and ran straight to his parents and gave them a lot of cuddles because he missed them a lot. Okay guys, that was Jack's story today. Don't forget, stay until the end as I'm gonna tell you the moral of the story as well. Until then, enjoy the rest of the drawing. And as I promised, I'm gonna tell you the moral of the story now. And the moral is that we should enjoy every step of our life and do not want to rush the things. Also, everything that you earn, you will enjoy much more than something that you just get for no efforts. I hope you enjoyed today's stories. Alright guys, that's it for today. I will see you again next time. Bye!